guys, it's Mandy from Consumer, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video today. And I don't know about all of you guys out there, but we are constantly looking for good non-stick pans, especially skillets that don't have any harmful chemicals in them. We have a really nice set of stainless steel pots and pans, and there's nothing worse than trying to cook an egg and it's sticking, and even worse than that is trying to clean it up. You're scraping and scrubbing, and you still might not get all of it off. So when we saw the skillets that we're going to be talking about today, I was so excited to give them a try, and I wanted to see if they really worked. Today we are going to be talking about the Henckles Granitium Pans that are made in Italy. I have the 8, 10, and 12-inch skillets. I have been using these skillets for a few weeks now, and I absolutely love them. I love the fact that you can cook pretty much anything and they don't stick. Eggs, nothing sticks. I love it. And they are so easy to clean. So later on in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it really is to cook with these pans. And if you guys are interested, I will put the link down in the description below if you want to go check these pans out. Now let's take a closer look at these amazing pans. These Granitium pans are made with 99.9% pure aluminum. The thick aluminum construction allows it to distribute heat quickly, minimizing hot spots, resulting in superior browning of your food. Now there are several other features I want to go over with you guys. These pans are scratch resistant and safe to use with metal utensils. They have an exclusive ultra durable Granitium non-stick coating and is PFOA free. As you can see here, these pans have a flared rim for clean and easy no drip pouring. The V-shaped handle helps to keep it cool and easy to grip. They are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also dishwasher safe, which is great. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, I don't put my pans in the dishwasher. I hand wash them, so I can't tell you how well they do in the dishwasher. It is also nice on the bottom of the pan that it tells you what kind of stoves that you can use these pans on. Here you can see that they can be used on electric, halogen, gas, and saran. Now I wanted to give you guys a heads up. They do recommend that you don't use cooking spray on it. So you don't want to use Pam or any other kind of spray. They recommend that you use olive oil or butter or some other kind of oil instead of the cooking spray. So what I use is I have a little non-aerosol olive oil sprayer that you just pump up and spray your olive oil with, and that seems to work really well. I don't like to cook a lot with butter, so just that fine mist from the sprayer works really well. So now it's time to go cook some eggs so I can show you how great these pans really are. Alright guys, now it's time to cook some eggs, but first I'm going to knock on the pan so y'all can hear how it sounds. Alright, so we're going to make two different kinds of eggs. First, we're going to make a fried egg, and then we're going to scramble an egg so you can see the difference between the two. So they recommend that you cook with these pans on medium to low. So I'm going to go ahead and set it to medium because that's usually where I do my cooking at anyway. And then here is my sprayer that I was talking about earlier, because like I said, they recommend that you not use a non-stick cooking spray. So with this, you just pump it up a little bit and then just spray. All right, so let's go ahead and crack the egg into the pan, and I am using my 8-inch pan for this one. And they do say that it is safe to use metal utensils, but they recommend that you use wood, plastic, or silicone instead. And here you can see it's totally not sticking. It's moving around with just that little bit of oil that I put in the pan. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip the egg. And there it flipped nice and easy and moving around again. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and take it out. This is how easy it is to take out the egg. So here you can see I just took the egg out of the pan and there's absolutely no egg left in the pan, so it's going to be super easy to clean. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and scramble an egg so I can show you how easy that is as well. So I'm going to put a little bit more oil in the bottom of the pan. Turn the stove on to medium. Let's go ahead and break the egg up here a little bit. And here you can see the egg is not sticking. And these pans are oven safe up to 500 degrees, but you do not want to put them in the microwave or the broiler. And look how easy it is to scramble an egg in these pans. It's amazing. And once you do, if you wash them by hand, you do not want to put them on the stove to boil dry, because that could cause damage on the bottom of your pans. So you just want to towel dry them after you're done washing them. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the egg out of the pan. And here you can see the inside of the pan after we're done scrambling the egg. It's nice and clean. There's no sticking, so nice and easy. So that is going to finish up our video on the Henckles Granitium pans. I really am truly enjoying cooking with these pans. These really are the first pans that I go to over all of my other pans that I have. If you are interested in these pans, I will have links in the description below to go check those out. If you click those links, it does help us make more videos for you guys. If you guys have these pans, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to KongSumer. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and we will see you next time. Bye!